If I can help people avoid what I went through, then I'm doing a pretty good job. When advising people, I'm advising them based off what they're looking to try and accomplish. But also being able to give them some perspective and give them some insight into the possibilities that, oh yeah, this is the plan, but what if it goes this way, or what if this happens? You know, being able to bring those things up in conversation, I feel like if I can at least share some ideas share ideas like that with someone, then they're making a better informed decision, and hopefully that will prevent any of these major missteps, because you know, a misstep in real estate can be a decade. It took me that little $175,000 condo that went to $317,000, took me probably 10 or 11 years by the time it went up to 317, down to 125, and back up enough for me to get out of it. So, you know, mistakes in real estate can hurt. Mistakes in real estate can be long lasting. So I work really hard to try to help people avoid those.